Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the Skroungee Skarff. Multiply. Only include three significant digits. So significant digits are the numbers that you are going to allow into your scientific notation answer. So it's just limited to three, so we have some unification. So here we go. Let's take 1.62 times 10 to the fourth times 3.94 times 10 to the 5. First thing to do is to multiply the big kids. So basically it's big kids, little kids rules again, okay? The big numbers are going to multiply and the little kids are going to add, and you're going to keep a base of 10. So let's do 1.62, and then we're going to multiply u times 3.94. Okay, so 6.38. 6.38 is going to be my three numbers that I'm going to plug into the first blank, and then if I add the exponents of 4 and 5, that would be a power of 9. All right, so that means I would put a 9 right there. All right, cool. So again, you only want three digits. Even though there's a 2, 8 here, you chop it off right here. The 2 keeps the 8 and 8. If you would have to round, if this was bigger, you know, if it was a 5, 6, 7, 8, you would round up to 9. Okay. All right, next question. We have to do these big numbers. This big number times this big number. I think we're going to have a special situation occur here. Let's take a look here. 4.61 times 6.78. Oh, we have a 31.25. So what does that mean? Well, you can't really write scientific notation in 31.25. That's kind of against the rules, but I will put it right there just for 1 second. I'm going to show you this move. Okay, and technically that would be 35.26, I guess. So I better put a 6 in there if I were to round it accurately. Okay, but as you can see, I've got 4 significant digits. I don't want that. I want 3. So watch this here in a second. I'm going to go 6 plus 9. That's 15. Okay. Now, this is illegal. This is not scientific notation. So watch what I do here. I need to move the decimal over 1 place to actually make it scientific notation. Now, if I do that, I need to account for that digit in my exponent because it's not technically correct unless you add the digit to the exponent. Okay? So every time you move the digit this way, you have to stack onto the exponent. Okay? I think most of the green ones are going to have that happen. Now, you could have a situation where you do the multiplication and it's like 123 point blah, 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 okay? Well, then you'd have to move the decimal over 2 places, and if you move the decimal over 2 places, you'd have to add 2 more to your base 10 exponent, okay? So, just trust me. Now that we have it down to the right decimal place, let's get it down to the right significant digits. This would round to a 3, okay? Even over here, the 5 would round you up, round it to a 3. Okay, so I'm trying to think, just in case this were something goofy, you simply just look to the next place. So don't go to this 5 to round this 5. So the fact that I round that to a 6 was a coincidence, so don't do that. Okay, so if you're going to round to the third digit, look at the fourth one and the fourth one only. Don't keep looking down the line. Okay. Anyway, last one here. Let's take a look. Okay, we got that one taken care of. Go away. Oh, we got big old number times big old number, but we got to rewrite it in scientific notation. Now, I think most calculators are going to do this for you, so you might be pretty lucky. Okay. Worst case scenario, you'd have to convert them both to scientific notation and multiply it. But I don't think that's the case. Most calculators are pretty smart, and they realize that when you're multiplying pretty big numbers, they're going to convert it to scientific notation for you. So as you can see, nothing's happening yet. That's a big old number. Ew, gross. I think after the next one, yeah, see that? There you go. 42,074 times 849,267 is going to be, let's see, 3 significant digits, 3.57. 3.57. It's going to be my 3 digits times 10 to the 10. Okay, there we go. So yeah, you're pretty lucky there. Okay, so if your calculator doesn't convert it to scientific notation for you and they actually have it as one giant big number, then just convert it to actual scientific notation. So I want to think a number would look like. If I were to write the actual number out, I would just move this decimal over 10 times. So here we go. So it'd be a 3, 5, 7, 3, 2, 0, 5, 9, 8. How many is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number is actually that. Ew, gross. That's a big old number, friends. Oh, 35 million. Okay, cool. All right, so that's basically about it. That's the Skroungee Skarff. Multiply carefully. Big kids do the multiplication. Little kids do the addition. If you're off by decimal, slide it to the left. Tack it on to the power of 10. All right, that's it.